Hey, I'm Mitch from Infinite Robotics. We're at ATD Customs where we've just installed one of our cobot welding systems. We finished the installation on Monday, we finished the training yesterday on Tuesday, and now the customer is going to start programming the parts for themselves. So let's see how they go with our training and how effective it is. So as you can see, the results speak for themselves. First day after training, the customer's already programmed 3 parts with beautiful welds, pretty much ready for production. This is what you can expect from our hands-on training, our knowledge and our expertise in robotic welding. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and happy welding.